3 tips on how to handle smelly or stinking clothes. If your clothes smells a lot, or probably you've kept it in the house, or you just took it out and the odor and the smell is so strong on it, the best thing to do is that when you're taking your laundry, which is the number 1 tip, add apple cider vinegar to your washing water. Just add a cupful of apple cider vinegar to about half a bucket of water. Soak your clothes in it, and before you wash, you could soak it for about 30 minutes before you go ahead to wash it, or you just add the apple cider vinegar directly to your washing water and then you wash it off. The second tip is this: it is good to turn your clothes inside out when you want to wash it. This helps you to eliminate every form of oil and sweat that is under the cloth. You remember that, like I'm wearing this cloth, if there's any form of sweat, it will not come directly to this place, it will be inside the clothes. So it is advisable to turn your clothes inside out. This not only gets rid of the sweat and smell, it also helps your fabric to last longer. The third tip I'm going to be leaving you with is this: for really smelly clothes, probably you forgot your cloth somewhere, or the cloth is in a damp, or you kept it in a damp wardrobe or whatever, the best thing to do is this: avoid the dryers. Do not use the dryer for such clothes. For such clothes, just spread it, wash it properly with the way I have said. Add apple cider vinegar to your washing water, or soak it in apple cider vinegar and then spread it directly in hot sun. Avoid using, maybe you're spinning it in the washing machine, or there's a form of dryer that you want to use. Please do not use that. It only helps that only helps the sweat, to go deep into the fabric, such that you might find it difficult to get it out. Do your laundry regularly, and this includes your underwears, no matter the color. Ladies, no matter the color, either black, white, blue or green, do your laundry regularly, including your underwear. While it might be advisable to wear your clothes twice, do not repeat any cloth that will sweat on, no matter the amount of sweat. Also ensure you spread your shoes, sneakers and the likes of it in open air after each use. You could also sprinkle baking soda into your shoes or your sneakers that is giving out offensive odor. If you spread it under the hair and the odor refuses to go, just sprinkle baking soda into it and leave it overnight. Then the next morning you can then wipe off the baking soda from inside the boot. Spread it in open hair or just spread it under open hair and you are good to go. Baking soda is very good at eliminating offensive odor. This is because it takes in a lot of moisture. So I would like to say a big thank you to every individual that has subscribed to this channel, that is accepting to be a part of this progressive community. If you want to be a part of this community, all you have to do is to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell that is just beside the subscribe button, and also please give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to some other persons that might find it useful. And also please ensure you watch this video to the end. It sends signals to YouTube community that there is something great that is happening here, and who knows, you might be a part of this community too. So thank you so much.